Spicy braised tofu is up first, and it combines 3 tablespoons of soy with a half a cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of Korean pepper flakes, and by the way, the recipes will be listed below, 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame oil, minced garlic and grated ginger, and a half a cup of water. Crispy fry your pressed firm tofu. I like to do this in toasted sesame oil to echo what's in the sauce. A well-developed exterior helps create a soft and chewy texture later instead of being mushy and spongy. This is one of the ways I got Jay to start enjoying tofu as a former tofu hater. You can also add some sliced bird's eye chili at this point for more kick. Pour in all the sauce and bubble until it's the consistency you like. Garnish as you please. I like black sesame seeds and scallions I'm using for the 4th round by regrowing in this glass of water. Next are stir-fried julienne potatoes. This is incredibly economical while stretching and satisfying with its savory flavor and versatility. On leaner days, my mother would serve this with rice and nori for a complete meal. Be careful while shaving. I take the nubs to use in nala food while composting the peels. It's crucial to soak these in cool water to remove the starch so that they don't get too mushy. I like to part cook these in a half a cup of veggie stock first. A simple sauce is 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 3 minced garlic cloves. When the liquid evaporates, add in this sauce and toss gently. Garnish as you like. If you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified of new episodes, and you can find me daily on Instagram at @asquishymonster. Steamed broccoli with gochujang sauce is quick, easy, and tasty. The stalks I reserve again for nala or broccoli slaw. I like to cook them up in a pot with a half a cup of veggie or miso broth. Rinse with cool water before making the dipping sauce with 1 tablespoon of Korean pepper paste, 1 tablespoon of raw apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 3 minced garlic cloves, and 1 tablespoon of water. Lastly, we have our zesty romaine salad. Combine a head of romaine heart with 3 minced garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of Korean pepper flakes, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of raw apple cider vinegar. My mother would serve this when we didn't have a stitch of kimchi left in the house and would often add in thin slices of Asian pear or Fuji apple. Since I didn't have any of those, I grabbed what I had and topped with thinly sliced red onion for crunch. It's nice to soak it in ice water or quick pickle them for the best onion flavor. This meal served as 2 packed lunches for Jay and 2 lunches for me this week. Including the cost of brown sprouted rice, 4 meals cost approximately $11 or less than $3 a plate for nourishing, wholesome meals with a Korean twist, and I hope you guys enjoy.